833 North Parker, this bush is getting a little bit out of control, so trim this down a little bit so it's a little bit underneath the porch. Now I'd like to paint this entire pillar on both sides. Paint this all white, paint this white, paint this white. Yeah, again, paint that all white. 833 North Parker. This bush is getting out of control. Trim this down so it's a little bit below the top of this ledge here, and definitely trim it here so you can see on both sides, so you can see the entire pillars. The pillars I would like to paint completely white because they're just not very attractive right now. Make sure this is all painted white, which I think it already is. I think this is already painted white, and I know this is painted white. Paint these white right here on both sides. This window isn't all the way white, so see if you can make that painted all the way white. Now, I'd like this whole walkway, all of this all cleaned up. Yeah, mow all of this, and then edge right here. So this is really clean, and this yard really looks good. And then paint all of this gray. All this gray, the steps up here, paint the porch up here, paint that all gray, and then paint this white. These two facings. Paint white right there, and see if we can really get this to pop.